Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome children to your computer class. Today we will start with a new chapter. Chapter number 4, Parts of a Computer. You must have seen a computer, right? In the computer lab or at your home. So there are different parts of computer. Like there is monitor, then there is CPU, there is keyboard and there is mouse. So these are the main parts of the computer. Computer can have other parts also like printer, scanner, camera, etc. But these are what? These are the main parts of computer. So we will be studying about these four main parts of computer in this lesson. So let's read the lesson together. You know that a computer has many parts. They are the central processing unit, that is CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Let us learn about all these parts of a computer. So in this lesson we will study about these four parts of computer in a bit detail. Okay, not just names, we will also see what function they do or what operations they perform. So number one is central processing unit, that is the long form of CPU. So CPU is inside a box like case. CPU is inside a box like case. There are buttons on it. The power button is used to switch on the CPU. Many cables and wires go into the back of the CPU. We have to be careful not to move them. So as you can see over here, this is the picture of a CPU. This is the front side that is facing us. So on the front side what we can see? We can see the power button is there. Then there is reset button. Then there are drives like floppy drive is there, CD-ROM drive is there. So this is the front side of the CPU that is facing us. And the CPU comes in different forms, like this CPU is a tower model. Another CPU can be like a box, suitcase. So both are CPU. One is in a standing manner and other is in a sleeping manner. Okay, but what is there? Many cables and wires go into the back of the CPU. If you look at the back side of the CPU, you can see there are many wires. So what are these wires for? These wires are wires of other devices. For example, one wire would be of the monitor that is connected to the CPU, another wire would be of the mouse, another would be of keyboard, another would be of speaker or microphone. So all the wires, they go like this behind the CPU or back of the CPU, and we have to be careful not to move them. If this wire becomes loose, then if it was the wire of the monitor, then we cannot see the display on the monitor screen. Or if that wire was of keyboard and it became loose, then our keyboard will not work. So we should be very careful and not to touch the wires behind the CPU. We should always tell our elders. If we are in school, we should tell our teacher that my monitor or keyboard is not working, or this wire it seems to be loose. We should not touch. We should tell our elders. So next thing is the CPU is the brain of the computer, right? CPU is the brain of the computer. That is why see here in the photo of human being, they are showing brain, and above that they are showing the CPU. That is, CPU is the most important part of the computer. Without CPU, the computer will not work. Only monitor, it is not called a computer. Only keyboard, it is not called a computer. Only mouse, it is not called a computer. Without CPU, a computer is not a computer because it is the brain of a computer. Why it is called brain? हम हमारे दिमाग से क्या करते हैं? What do we do with our brain? For what work do we use our brain? हम हमारा दिमाग का इस्तेमाल किन चीज़ों के लिए करते हैं? Right, for calculations, for remembering things. So all calculations and other work we do on a computer are done by the CPU. When it comes to the computer, all of this work is done by the CPU. That is why it is called brain of a computer. See, they are asking us a question. Is this not like the brain in our body? Yes, it is like the brain in our body. It performs all the main and important work. It does all the calculations and it does all the other work we do on a computer. So this was about CPU. Now let's go on to monitor. So another important part of a computer is monitor. See, here in this photo you can see how a monitor looks like. A monitor looks just like a television set. If some of you must have seen a TV or you must have a TV at your home, so its screen looks like the screen of a TV. Its face is called a screen, and you can connect your TV to the CPU also. There comes a special wire. If you use that wire, you can connect your CPU directly to your television also. So monitor, it looks like a television set. Its face is called screen. This face that we are seeing over here is called the screen. What we can see on the monitor? We can see letters, numbers and pictures on the screen. We can see all of these. These are what? These are icons. And monitor itself, it does not have any memory, it does not perform any calculation. Monitor is just showing us what is inside the CPU. If for example we have connected this CPU, this number 1 CPU, and that CPU had all these icons on the computer screen. But if we connected this number 2 CPU and it had only 4 icons, so we will see only 4 icons on the screen. So monitor is what? It is just a display. That is why it is also called as output device. Monitor is called what? Output device. It brings information or data from the computer world to our world. कंप्यूटर की दुनिया में से वो हमारी दुनिया में डेटा लेकर आता है. दैट इज़ वाई मॉनिटर इज कॉल्ड एन आउटपुट डिवाइस. एंड मॉनिटर इज कनेक्टेड टू द CPU बाय अ वायर. मॉनिटर CPU को कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं? इनमें से एक वायर के थ्रू मॉनिटर इज कनेक्टेड टू द CPU. So I hope you understood this much. Now let's move on to the next page. Next part of the computer is keyboard. This is how a keyboard looks like, and I am sure all of you must have seen a keyboard in the computer lab when you were in standard first. Earlier the keyboard used to come in white color, but nowadays the keyboard comes in the black color because white color becomes very dirty. So nowadays we can see keyboard in the black color. So what is a keyboard? A keyboard is a flat board made of plastic. It has approximately 104 keys. This you have to remember, okay? If you count this number of keys on the keyboard, if you have a keyboard at your home, you can count the number of keys and see if you also have 104 keys. So it is a flat board made up of plastic and it has 104 keys. And there are different keys on it. Some keys have letters like A to Z is there. Then there are numbers 1 to 0. Similarly 1 to 0 is there. They are used to write on the screen. Keyboard is what? Keyboard is an input device. That is, if you want to tell computer something, we want to send some data inside the computer from our world into the world of the computer. For that we make use of keyboard, right? कीबोर्ड का इस्तेमाल क्यों करते हैं हम? हमें कुछ चीज़ें कंप्यूटर के अंदर इंसर्ट करनी है, कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में कुछ हमें डालना है, तो हम कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? हाउ वी विल डू इट? वी विल मेक यूज़ ऑफ कीबोर्ड. तो कीबोर्ड पे हम टाइप करते हैं, स्क्रीन पे वो चीज़ें टाइप होती है, हम उसको सेव करते हैं, वो कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में जाके सेव हो जाती है. ओके, सो सम कीज़ हैव सिम्बल्स ऑन देम. दे आर यूज टू डू वेरियस अदर थिंग्स. Like these symbols are there on the keyboard that are used to perform different functions and different operations or to use these signs. तो कीबोर्ड के ऊपर क्या क्या रहता है? लेटर्स रहते हैं, नंबर्स रहते हैं और स्पेशल सिम्बल्स रहते हैं. ओके, दिस मच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट कीबोर्ड एंड इट हैज़ 104 कीज. In detail you will study in bigger classes. Okay, now let's move on to mouse. What is a mouse? माउस को माउस क्यों बोलते हैं? कैन एनीवन थिंक वाई वी कॉल अ माउस माउस? येस, अ कंप्यूटर माउस लुक्स लाइक अ रियल माउस. दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ माउस. वाई? सी, दिस इज हाउ अ माउस इज देयर and this wire is like the tail of the mouse. That is why they have given it the name mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It can have 1 or 2 or 3 buttons on top. See, here we have 1 button and 2 button. Sometimes we will have 3 button or there will be a scroll button over here that you can scroll to move the pages. So it can have 1, 2 or 3 buttons on top. We click buttons to use the mouse. If you want to use the mouse, we will use the click button. So for example, you have a monitor over here, okay? When you move the mouse like this, cursor will move on the screen, and if you want to open something, you will bring that cursor over here and you will double click on the left button and this file or folder will open up. And see, you have learnt about mouse in class 1. We have learnt in detail about a mouse in class 1. So mouse is what? It is also an input device, that is, it is used to send information into the computer world. Like you must have seen, we were drawing something in पेंट में आपने कुछ ड्रॉ किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू मेड अ हाउस, फिर आपने इसको सेव कर दिया तो ये फाइल कंप्यूटर के मेमोरी में जाके सेव हो गई. सो माउस इज ऑल्सो एन इनपुट डिवाइस. So this was a short lesson about different parts of computer. So what were the different parts of computer? Yes, CPU, full form is Central Processing Unit. Then monitor, then keyboard and mouse. These are the 4 fundamental parts of a computer. Okay, we had studied about them in this lesson. Now let's see some do's and don'ts. What are do's and don'ts? These are rules of using the computer. जब हम कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं तो हमें किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए और किन चीज़ों से हमें बचना चाहिए. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ वी शुड ऑलवेज स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ द कंप्यूटर करेक्टली. जब भी हम कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं हमें कंप्यूटर को सही से स्विच ऑन करना चाहिए और सही से स्विच ऑफ करना चाहिए. व्हाट विल हैपन इफ़ यू डोंट स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ द कंप्यूटर? यस, खराब हो जाएगा, इट विल गेट डैमेज. एंड कंप्यूटर इज़ एन एक्सपेंसिव मशीन. कंप्यूटर महंगी मशीन है. 5 रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़ में आपको कंप्यूटर नहीं मिलता है. इट कम्स इन थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रुपीज़. ओके, सो यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक केयर टू स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. जनरली कंप्यूटर सही से बंद नहीं करते हैं या सही से चालू नहीं करते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई कंप्यूटर इट बिकम्स डैमेज, कंप्यूटर ख़राब हो जाता है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ वी शुड ऑलवेज स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ द कंप्यूटर करेक्टली. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज़ डोंट सिट टू क्लोज टू द मॉनिटर. मॉनिटर स्क्रीन के एकदम नज़दीक नहीं बैठना है हमें. वाई? बिकॉज इट सेंड्स आउट रेडिएशन. और अगर हम बहुत नज़दीक से स्क्रीन देखेंगे व्हाट विल हैपन? यस, हमें चश्मा लग जाएगा. वी विल गेट स्पेक्स. देन व्हेन यू गेट स्पेक्स यू कैन नॉट रन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन नॉट प्ले अदर गेम्स विद देम, राइट? सो यू शुड नॉट सिट टू क्लोज टू द मॉनिटर. थोड़ा दूर बैठना है मॉनिटर से. इसीलिए तो कीबोर्ड का वायर हमें लंबा देते हैं. That is why they give the wire of the mouse a little bigger wire so that we can sit at a comfortable distance and use the keyboard and mouse. Next one is press the keys of the keyboard softly. कीबोर्ड के जो कीज़ हैं वो सॉफ्टली प्रेस करना है. ये जो कीज़ हैं वी शुड प्रेस देम सॉफ्टली. सो ज़ोर ज़ोर से प्रेस नहीं करना है. व्हाट विल हैपन? वो की ख़राब हो जाएंगी, राइट? समटाइम्स इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू रिपेयर, या आपको नया ही कीबोर्ड लाना होगा. सो दैट इज़ योर लॉस. आपके पैसे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे. सो वी शुड यूज़ देम प्रॉपरली. वी शुड प्रेस द कीज सॉफ्टली. देन सेकंड वन इज होल्ड द माउस प्रॉपरली. माउस को सही से पकड़ना है. ये वायर के साथ ऐसा खेलना नहीं है. वी शुड होल्ड द माउस प्रॉपरली. देन लास्ट वन इज डोंट टच द इनर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. येस, सम चिल्ड्रेन दे वॉन्ट टू सी वॉट इज़ इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर. तो क्या करते हैं, जो CPU है उसके अंदर क्या है उसको देखने की कोशिश करते हैं. इफ़ दे कैन नॉट open that, they put their pencil behind the CPU, they put their scale behind the CPU. there is a small fan inside the CPU, तो फैन को स्टॉप करने की कोशिश करते हैं. and all of these what it will do, it will damage the computer. so we should not touch the inner parts of the computer. okay, so with this we complete our chapter number 4. so in this lesson we studied about the different parts of computer and also some of the do's and don'ts. I hope you understood the lesson. okay, so we will stop over here. Thank you.